22nd, and I've been working on the dash for a couple of days, just a few hours at a time. I've been pretty busy with the family, but here's the update on the dash. It's pretty much all together, minus a few pieces. But I got the dash in. I got a Dakota analog, and that's a real nice piece. I feel like it really brings out the rest of the dash. It's a silver face, and with it lights up red needles, and everything lights up red. So this one just has one plug in the back, and I won't be able to get to that until I wire up the whole car and then wire up the dash. So that'll be coming up soon. I just wanted to show y'all the progress on the dash on the Dakota. Real nice piece. This bezel originally is welded as one piece, but it's technically two pieces. This little seam right here on both sides has a pinch weld through the inside, so you pretty much just drill out the pinch welds and you get it into two pieces. And the reason I did that is because I painted it as one piece, and it was really awkward to paint. It's really hard to get the gun in there and the clearing the base, and it came out all right at first, but I just wasn't happy with it, and I felt like being that I had that dash already, it had to have something just as nice around it. So honestly, I ended up painting these things 3 times. So yeah, 3 times a charm, 3rd time's a charm, and it came out nice after the 3rd time. And I was actually able to cut and buff it, and it's super reflective, just like the outside. It's kind of hard to see here because I don't have the best lighting, but there it is. This car is not an original AC car, so I had to cut the holes for the AC vents on both sides, and that was kind of tricky to do. But I did that with the 3.5-inch hole saw. I pretty much put the hole saw just straight in here, and I cut it. I measured everything, and then after you get that cut, you go in there with the grinder with the lava cone, and just kind of go around it and get it to where you need it, to where this thing actually fits. These bezels, they're pretty much just mocked up right now. For the video, they're not installed. My buddy of mine recommended not to glue these or double side tape them, because if you got to take them out for any reason, they're so thin, and if you go to pull on them, you're just gonna end up messing up the piece. So you can install those just by the light switch and the wiper switch, and over here the ignition, the lighter, the radio will hold that thing in place, and it won't move and it won't rattle. So that's what I'm gonna end up doing on that. I got my glove box door in. It has a new trim, Autotronic eye, and the tissue box, tissue dispenser box. And I think one of my favorite things about the dash, other than the Dakota, is the shaved speaker vent on the dash. It was a lot of work to get that thing nice and flat, but I really like the results. I'm happy with the way it came out, because it's just such a subtle modification that if you're not looking for it, you're not gonna find it. And if you're not familiar with these cars, you would think that's just the way it is. So that was the look I was going for. Next, I'm gonna be working on installing the I Did It tilt column. I got a paintable steel I Did It, and I have all the parts to install it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lay all the parts out, show y'all all the part numbers and everything you need to get it installed. That is gonna mate to I have a CPP 500 gearbox, so all that's gonna mate together, and I'll show y'all how all that goes. It just pretty much, it has a D shaft that runs in through here, and then right here you just put your boot. But I'll explain that all in the next video. I'm gonna get everything out of the boxes and lay it out, and show y'all the installation on it. It's pretty straightforward. And I restored my steering wheel, the original one. It was pretty tore up. It had a lot of cracks and it was broken, but I got all that filled out, sanded, base coated, clear coated, and man, that thing looks really nice. I'm really happy with that piece. So that's gonna top off on the I Did It steering column. We painted the column, I think it was back in May, somewhere around a couple months back or 3 months back. But it's the same color, red. It's all matches steering wheel. So it should be a nice piece. I'm really excited for the tilt column. It's something that I've always wanted. I had a tilt column in one of my older Impalas, and man, I really like that thing. It makes a big difference on the feel of you driving it. So I wanted a tilt column. It was a no-brainer for me, and I did kind of debate at first whether to go with a universal or the I Did It. And after doing a lot of custom work to this car, I chose the I Did It because it's plug and play. I was tired of modifying things to make it fit, and just changing things and cutting and welding and painting. And it was just something that I like, that it's just plug and play, and that thing has all kind of good reviews. And I know a few people that are running it, and they swear by it. So that's why I went ahead and went with it. So it should be a nice piece. Y'all wait for that video. That's gonna be next. So I'll keep y'all posted, and thanks for watching.